Welcome back. Today in this video I will show you how to edit urban yellow and black in Lightroom Mobile. Here are some example photo before and after using this preset. First, go to Light. Then, exposure to -1. +74 for contrast. -39 for highlights. +28 for shadows. An edge 8 of 70 for whites. +24 blacks. Follow you. This curve settings. Then, done. Go to colors. Set vibrance to +30. Set saturation to +16. First go to red. Make saturation -20 and luminance to -10. Next go to orange. And make hue to -10. And saturation to -14 and luminance to +10. Next go to yellow. And make hue to -100. And saturation to +31 and luminance to +30. Make saturation to -100 for blue, violet and magenta. then done. Go to Effects. Make texture to 16. Make clarity to 16. Make dehaze to 40. Make vignite to -39. Make feather to 70. Next, go to dual tone. Follow these steps to get the effect. Now go to Details. Make noise reduction to 15. Make color noise reduction to 34. Then done.